American 903, departure.
Yeah, departure American 93. We're working on an issue with the aircraft right now, leveling at 5,000 feet, and we're going to be kind of slow here for a few minutes as we take care of the problem. We'll let you know.
American 93, that is cockpit. Report if you need any assistance, and initially maybe can you climb to 7,000 feet?
Yeah, we can climb to 7, that'd be fine. Out of 5 for 7, we're about 180 knots.
American 93, Roger, you have no speed restrictions, and to confirm climb to 7,000 feet then.
Climbing to 7,000, thanks American 93.
American 903?
Yeah, American 93, go ahead.
Just for my planning, would you like to continue on the departure route, or do you want to turn right, maybe towards Schiphol and join a holding?
Hey, let's just stay on the routing for now. We're going to level at 7,000 feet, and we're still working the checklist. There's a good chance we may have gone back, so we'll let you know.
American 93, Roger. American 903, you are reaching the end of my airplay soon, so initially make it a right turn to heading 360.
Okay, right turn to 360, American 93. Yeah, we're on the phone with the company. We're going to figure out where we're going, but we'll stay with you for now. Right turn to 360, thanks.
Roger, yeah, just let me know whenever you're ready, and you know what you want to do. American 903, turn right, heading 090.
Right turn 090, American.
American 903, turn right, heading 180.
Right turn 180, American 903, thanks.
American 903, turn right, heading 270.
All right, heading 270, American 93.
American 903 request.
Okay, American 93, we're pan. We do have a flat drive issue with the aircraft, and we need to return to Zurich, and we're requesting runway 34 if possible.
American 903, Roger, pan is copied. Could you accept as well runway 16, long runway, 3,700 meters?
Okay, we're running the numbers. That will be a tailwind for us, and we're overweight landing.
American 903, that is copied. Just let me know what you need. If you could accept 16 would be appreciated. Otherwise, we'll figure out for runway 34. And just to make sure, you're not dumping fuel at the moment.
Affirmative. We are not dumping fuel.
American 903, Roger. Call me back when you have the numbers.
Roger. Okay, Zurich, American 93, we can accept runway 16. We run the numbers, and that'll be fine for us.
American 93, Roger, expect Alice approach runway 16. You ready for the approach?
Give us a couple minutes to set the box up and change it back around to 16, and we'll get back with you. Thank you.
American 93, take all the time you need. Call me back when you're ready.
Yes.
American 93, turn right, heading 040.
Right turn into 040, American 903.
American 903, we plan you with an overweight landing, high-speed landing on runway 16 with Slat issues. That's correct.
Yeah, that's affirmative, the Slat issue, and we are requesting the ARP to be standing by.
American 903, expect so. American 903, do you have a rough estimate when you're going to be ready?
Yes, sir. I think we're going to... Hold on, stand by one.
Yeah, American 93. We could probably set up for a downwind now for the approach.
American 93, roger. American 93 on heading 040, you're clear to Zurich. You have 42 miles to touchdown. It's left-hand downwind, runway 16.
Left turn and say the heading again.
Continue for the moment heading 040.
040 for now, and thank you, American 93.
American 93, turn left heading 330.
Heading 330, American 93.
American 93, for final guidance, contact final control 125.330. Bye-bye.
125.330, American 93, good day.
American 93, Zurich final, do you read?
American 93, at you left switch.
American 93, left. American 93, turn right heading 360.
Right 360, American 93.
American 93, turn left heading 280.
Left turn 280, American 93.
American 93,
Send a flight out to you, American 93.
and American 93, turn to the left heading 260.
Left turn 260, American 93.
American 93, turn left heading 240.
Say again for American 93.
American 93, turn left heading 240.
Left 240, American 93.
American 93, turn left heading 190, clear ILS approach runway 16, maintain 5,000 feet until glide path intercept.
Left 190, cleared ILS, runway 16, maintain 5,000 feet till glide path interception, American 93. American 93, heavy service establishment.
American 93, roger, fast grand is standing by, contact tower 118.1, good day.
Runway 10. Sir, American 93, we're ILS, runway 16.
American 93, Zurich Tower, hello, wind 010 degrees, 6 knots, runway 16, clear to land, fire brigade at station.
Okay, American 93, clear to land, runway 16, copy, the safety vehicle fires waiting, thank you.
And American 93, the authorities would like you to use the whole runway, off the landing, roll until more or less the end, if that's possible for you.
Okay, American 93, copies, thank you. Do you want us to turn off or stay on the runway for American 93?
American 93, are you able to vacate the runway?
That's affirmative for American 93.
American 93, then seconds to the left at the end, taxiway Echo Niner.
Okay, all the way continue down to Echo Niner and left American 93.
Correct. American 93, contact apron 121.755.
121.755 for American 93, thanks. Apron American 93 is vacating runway 16 at Echo 9.
American 93, apron, hello, turn to the left, confirm normal up.
Yes, normal taxi ops for American 93, and I think we had, was it Charlie 55?
Roger, then follow me to the left, and he will guide you to Charlie 55.
Follow me to Charlie 55, American 93, thank you.